Welcome back to the channel. Caterpillar has released CAT ET 2026A, the newest version of Electronic Technician. Today we take a full look at what this software can do for your workshop. CAT ET is the official diagnostic software for Caterpillar. It is the exact tool that CAT dealers use every day. It talks to engines, transmissions, and machine systems across the whole CAT family. Connect to any machine and you get fault codes in seconds. Active codes, logged codes, and event history with operating hours. Each code comes with a clear description, so you know exactly where to start. Live data is where CAT ET shines. Watch fuel pressure, boost, temperatures, and injector data in real time. You can build custom data groups and record snapshots to replay problems later. The built-in tests save hours of guesswork. Run a cylinder cutout test to find a weak cylinder in minutes. Test injector solenoids and actuators directly from your laptop. You can also configure the ECM. Change parameters, program injector trim codes after replacement, and adjust machine settings. Everything is logged, so your changes stay traceable. The 2026A release includes WinFlash. That means you can update ECM software with official flash files and keep every machine running the latest calibration. For hardware, CAT ET works with the Comm adapter 3, and also with common adapters like the Nexiq USB Link 2 and DPA5. A normal Windows laptop is all you need. In daily workshop use, this tool pays for itself fast. You diagnose CAT machines in your own shop instead of waiting for a dealer. Less downtime for customers, more finished jobs for you. So that is CAT ET 2026A, the complete diagnostic solution for Caterpillar equipment. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more diesel software guides, and see you in the next video.